You want to know how to check if a number is Disarium in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, a Disarium number means that a number is equals the sum of its digits raised to the position. So it's basically from left and it's starting at 1. So for example, we have this integer n right here, so we have named it 135. So right beside it I have shown you this comment. So this comment is basically what a Disarium number means. So the code is to simply turn the number into a string, so we know each digit's one base index. So for each digit d, we add d with power up and index. So that's it. If the total number equals to the original number, it's Disarium. And it's that simple. It's readable and it runs on 4 digits. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is really great for math puzzle sorts. And we have also used for loops with some starting sum as 0 and a formula. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.